Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable HUAWEI Assistant on this device. So as can you see, when I'm swiping with my finger to the right side, I just can open the HUAWEI Assistant. And if you want to just turn it off, you just should swipe with your two fingers at the same time at the center and go on the right up or down corner to the home screen settings, and here you'll see the Smart Assistant section. Just to turn off the HUAWEI Assistant, tap here once on the switcher, and now as can you see, by swipe with my finger by the same way to the right side, we can open the HUAWEI Assistant. So that's how it looks, and if you want to just turn it on again, just tap here again on the switcher, and by this way you can enable again your HUAWEI Assistant on your HUAWEI P50 Pro. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.